Aioli or mayonnaise is not as scary as you think. It's really a few ingredients and a special drizzle. It's all about coordination, so you need a little helper, a fairy in the kitchen. So at this stage, you can add a little bit of anchovies because a Caesar salad, which is what I'm making today, always needs a bit of anchovy. So you can either add the anchovy afterwards to decorate the salad, but I like to emulsify it into my aioli. So just some smashed ones, or just break them up for a little bit of texture. And then, before I taste it, I'm going to add my secret ingredient, which is a whole cup of grated Parmigiano Reggiano and some lemon juice. I told you it was easy. And there we go. Just look at that. And now all you need is some beautiful baby cos or crunchyta lettuce to dress it with. That is bellissimo. Guess what's back? Parmesan crisps. So just make little piles on a grease-proof tray. Give them some space because they're just going to melt and spread. And the whole house is just going to smell like toasted cheese. Just a little bit of lemon juice, just to bring it all together. Yes. And then for a little bit of crunch, crisps. And that, my friends, I don't think you're going to get a better Caesar salad ever, ever.